Hello friends, let's say you want to correctly rotate a table in Microsoft Word such that it remains editable and without using any other software. So here is a trick. Let's say this is my table and I want to rotate this. Click anywhere on this table and then you will see a table handle on the top left corner. Click that so that entire table will get selected. Then copy the table by using Ctrl C, or if you're using Mac you can use the shortcut command C. Then go to the place where you want to insert a rotated table. Then go to insert, click shapes and then select the text box. Then draw a table that is sufficiently large enough to contain the table. Once it is there, click inside the text box, then paste your table by using Ctrl V or Command V if you are using Mac. Resize the table such that it fits properly inside a text box. Then click the text box and on the top right corner you will see layout options. You can select either square or tight such that if you rotate it doesn't overlap with any other text. Once this is done, again click on this text box and in the shape format click on this icon and then rotate right or left as per your need. Once this is done, you will get a table which is rotated. Now the table is editable. To edit a table, just click anywhere on the table and once it is done, press escape and your table is rotated and at the same time it is editable. That's it. Subscribe for more to the point tips and tricks, and if you feel that this video was helpful, please support us